Number 10. Taipei 101. Location Taipei, Taiwan. Height 508 meter. Floors 101. Year of completion 2004. Number 9. CITIC Tower. Location Beijing, China. Height 527.7 meter. Floors 109. Year of completion 2018. Number 8. Tianjin City of Finance Center. Location Tianjin, China. Height 530 meter. Floors 97. Year of completion 2019. Number 7. Guangzhou City of Finance Center. Location Guangzhou, China. Height 530 meter. Floors 111. Year of completion 2016. Number 6. One World Trade Center. Location New York City, United States. Height 541.3 meter. Floors 94. Year of completion 2014. Number 5. Lotte World Tower. Location Seoul, South Korea. Height 554.5 meter. Floors 123. Year of completion 2017. Number 4. Ping An Finance Center. Location Shenzhen, China. Height 599.1 meter. Floors 115. Year of completion 2017. Number 3. Makkah Royal Clock Tower. Location Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Height 601 meter. Floors 120. Year of completion 2012. Number 2. Shanghai Tower. Location Shanghai, China. Height 632 meter. Floors 128. Year of completion 2015. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Location Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Height 828 meter. Floors 163. Year of completion 2010.